I have had not one, but 2 dreams in which I have filmed a video for this week. And then I wake up thinking that I've filmed a video for this week and then I haven't. And then I can't remember what my video ideas were in the dream, so I can't replicate them. I can't even use my own ideas that I had in my head. So I'm not upset about that at all. It's a good thing you cannot see my floor right now. Things. Actually, it's not that bad. A couple articles of clothing and like 30 belts. Literally, I have so many belts on my floor right now. Belts. In my dream, I didn't have a video, and then I'm like, hey, I'm gonna film a video. And then, so I did. And now I'm here. Again. Hey, I don't have a video. I'm gonna film a video. What if this is a dream? You can't tell, but my bed, underneath the covers, there's some things. I didn't want to put them away for the video, so I just flattened them out so that when I put the covers back over it, it kind of just looked normal. Beep, beep, beep. Hello. Why is there a 6 beeping at me? Oh, now it's a 5. Wait, why is there a 5 beeping at me? And now it's a 4. I'm running out of storage, aren't I? 2, 1, 0. What? Why is it 0? I was correct, and it did mean card full, and it shut off. I don't know why it would blink a 0 at me. It's fine. I literally, okay, it's 12 o'clock. I went to bed at like 10:30, and then I woke up at like 9:30 or 10. So I slept practically 11 or 12 hours. So I am having issues. I just wanna not. I just wanna not. I just wanna not. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, I look bald. Bing, bing, bing. Ooh, look at, you can see my floor just a little bit. See, it's clean. It looks clean from right there. Because the clothes are more forward, more here. Da-ding. But it's been starting to get hotter in my rafters. If you didn't know, I sleep in my rafters and not in this bed. But it's been starting to get hotter, so I have my little tiny baby pink fan. I don't know what the point was of telling you that, but with this, I was gonna put feathers on it so that it was like textured. I kind of want to sing on my channel, but I also don't, because that's gross. If I make a singing video, I'll just go back later and hate it. I am troubled. I still want to make a singing video. Oh, I'm sliding! Oh boy. I still want to make a singing video because I want to. That's a good look. Ooh! That's an even better look. Wait, I can make myself look fat. Okay, it's not working. I just wish I was more decisive, because then I could figure out what I actually wanted to do with myself, but I'm not decisive, so I can't function. So basically, I am just left here with myself, and myself doesn't know what to do with myself, which is just a big loop. A big loop. I mean, that's probably a question that I'm supposed to be able to answer. Well, wait. Did I ask a question? Maybe I asked it in my head. The question was, what am I supposed to do with myself? I should answer that question, but I cannot. I am unable to can. I think about that meme every single day. So this is the point where I ask myself, what am I doing with my channel? What am I doing with my life? I don't particularly know. Maybe it would be best if... Maybe it'd be best if I just stopped. I could just stop talking, stop filming, stop recording. And you know what you could do? You could stop watching.